Boom shakalaka, check out these incredible charts for Bitcoin. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, check out these incredible charts for Bitcoin, and also there are some things a-brewing for altcoins. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, and of course subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. Now today, fear and greed at 73, sideways for the past week, just regular greed, not extreme greed. The overall market up 1% today, Bitcoin at 95,051, Ethereum at 33.99, and XRP at 218. Now, Bitcoin getting squeezed between the 21 EMA in blue and the 50-day moving average in yellow. Right now, price is just below the 50-day moving average. We saw this the last time where price did dip down below on the second bottom of this bottom. You can see the second bottom dip below the 50. And then what happened after that? Well, Bitcoin price went on a massive rally. Could we be due for the same type of rally? Well, you definitely want to stay tuned for some of the charts we have coming. First off, Bitcoin did get rejected from a very serious trend line. This is the top in 2018. This is the top in 2021. And the same trend line Bitcoin got rejected from. Now, all previous times, that was pretty much a long way down. Could we be due for a long way down with Bitcoin? Well, if we take a look, taking a look at Bitcoin, comparing it with previous epochs, this is 2020, this is 2016, and in red is this cycle, you can see price kind of diverges at this point. For the past few months, it has been almost perfectly consistent with what we saw in previous cycles, and also back here, almost perfectly consistent. But when the cycles deviate, Bitcoin price deviates as well. You can see there was some deviation here, price went up. There was some deviation here, price kind of stayed in the center line. Well, we have another deviation coming up right here. Price, who knows where it could go? Well, there is some speculation. You see, a lot of people suspecting that price could continue to come down in January. Now, this would not be a shocker for Bitcoin. Generally, Chinese New Year, not very bullish for Bitcoin. But in the previous two cycles, Bitcoin put in a bottom in January. And you know what a bottom means? Price reverses and goes back up. Now, he's speculating the bottom will be seen somewhere around the inauguration date, January 20th. Well, a few more weeks of downward movement. But if we take a look, right now, Bitcoin forming a doji candle. The last two times this happened in this rally, guess what? A massive rally followed. 2025 going to be incredible. The funding rates have been completely reset. What this means is that since we're in a structurally bullish regime, negative funding rates tend to mark a bottom, which would be bullish. So, indicating, well, price is probably not going down too much more. And if we take a look on OK Exchange, the taker buy sell ratio spiked right here, indicating a surge in aggressive buying, a sign of upward momentum ahead. So all of these signs is that Bitcoin price has reset, and also the daily Bitcoin RSI will be completely reset in a number of days. Now take a look at what happened with Bitcoin price every single time this happened historically. A rally followed. So it does appear like who knows how low we'll go, but it appears like everything is reset and a rally will follow. Pump past $100,000 will be here sooner than anyone expects. And check out this Bitcoin fractal right now. There's accumulation, fake out to the downside where they just take up all of the long leverage, and then boom, nice rally. Same thing, accumulation, take out all the long leverage, and then acceleration, price pump. Well, we had accumulation once again. Guess what? Taking out all of the long leverage, and once again, price will go up. It seems like this is going to be the way that things are going to go, maybe for the rest of Bitcoin's life, or as long as people keep trading on leverage, because hey, it's easy money, also called dumb money. Talking about dumb money, not really a segue right there, but coming up is January. Now, for Bitcoin, not great, but if we take a look, the first weeks of 2025 are going to be extremely bullish for Ethereum. Now, this is Ethereum weekly returns. The first week of the year, this is actually the first week of the year, but the first week of the year historically, after a halving year, does incredible, roughly a 26 to 27% gains. And if Ethereum is going to do that, holy freaking cow, you can only imagine. And that's weekly returns. Excuse me. Oh, yeah, weekly returns. So first week coming up big, second week not so big, third week big again. But massive moves for Ethereum and altcoins. We can also see, taking a look here, Q4. Historically, most of Bitcoin's gains have already been realized. But in Q1, Ethereum is set to explode. You can see that last Q1, it exploded. Well, could we be due for Q1 of alt season? Yeah, it does appear so. Leading the charge would be Dogecoin with this fractal, incredible setup, massive gains, retracement, and then going to blow people's minds coming up soon. And we're already seeing buy signals on the TD sequential for Dogecoin, the 4-hour chart, anticipating a price rebound. Could it be the beginning of Dogecoin's biggest move, $4 to $23 next? Let's freaking hope. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter at @cryptolove, subscribe to the channel. And also, there's a playlist of 2025 crypto price predictions right up there you might enjoy. Check it out. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.